Welcome to the Social Lens and thank you for watching. In a landmark decision, the National Assembly of South Africa voted to impeach Western Cape Judge President John Hlophe from the bench, marking a significant moment in the nation's legal history. This unprecedented move came after a series of legal battles and investigations spanning over a decade, ultimately resulting in his removal from office. The watershed moment occurred on Wednesday, as the National Assembly convened to cast their votes on the fate of the judge. With a resounding majority, 305 members voted in favor of impeachment, while only 27 opposed, signifying a clear stance against his continuance in judicial office. This decision came on the heels of the Western Cape High Court's dismissal of the judge's final attempt to delay the impeachment proceedings, setting the stage for a decisive outcome. Former public protector turned EFF MP, Busisiwe Mqwebane, vehemently criticized the impeachment, likening it to the betrayal of South Africa's liberation ideals. Mqwebane accused those with racist tendencies of unfairly targeting Judge Hlophe, whom she praised for his service and dignity. In contrast, Democratic Alliance MP Glenys Breitenbach hailed the impeachment as a pivotal moment for South Africa's judiciary, emphasizing the significance of upholding ethical standards and the rule of law. The judge's impeachment represents a historic milestone in South Africa's legal landscape, as he becomes the first sitting judge to be removed from office. This unprecedented action underscores the gravity of the allegations against him and the commitment to accountability within the judiciary. The resolution to remove the judge will now be communicated to President Cyril Ramaphosa, the appointing authority, for further action. The Judicial Service Commission, JSC, found him guilty of gross misconduct, citing his attempts to improperly influence Constitutional Court judges in favor of specific litigants. Specifically, the judge was accused of approaching justices in 2008 regarding a case involving former President Jacob Zuma. Despite his denials, an investigation concluded that he had indeed sought to sway the outcome of the case, raising serious ethical and legal concerns. The decision to impeach him was rooted in Section 177 of the South African Constitution, which provides guidelines for the removal of judges from office. According to this provision, a judge can only be removed if found to suffer from incapacity, gross incompetence, or gross misconduct by the JSC. The National Assembly is then empowered to adopt a resolution for removal, requiring a two-thirds majority vote, after which the President is obligated to enforce the decision. The judge's journey to impeachment was characterized by a protracted legal battle, marked by appeals and investigations spanning over a decade. The complexity and duration of the proceedings underscored the gravity of the allegations and the meticulousness required in adjudicating such matters. Despite the prolonged nature of the process, the ultimate outcome reflects a commitment to upholding the integrity of the judiciary and ensuring accountability at the highest levels. The impeachment of Judge Hlophe reaffirms the principle of the separation of powers within South Africa's constitutional framework. By holding a judge accountable for misconduct, the legislature asserts its oversight role over the judiciary, safeguarding the independence and impartiality of the legal system. This adherence to constitutional principles reinforces the foundations of democracy and the rule of law in South Africa. This landmark decision underscores the nation's commitment to upholding ethical standards, the rule of law, and the integrity of the judiciary. As the process moves forward, it serves as a powerful reminder that no one, regardless of their position or influence, is above the law. If you found this video informative, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time.